Alright, Toasters and two bets. Man, we back on the sale tray. And we got a short list. We got a very short list to knock out to get this thing completed, man. Very short list, man. Fuel, trans, brakes, speaker box, the trunk, and front and rear bumpers. And this thing here will be ready for testing and tuning. So like you see, everything is already wired up, man. Had got everything to the back. We do have new inner and outer tie rods to install, but that's easy. That's freaking 45 minutes. So now, Puncho, we just got the bumpers back from Chrome. We just got them back from Chrome. So shout out to my guy Dwayne, man. Mr. Chrome Plating. So we got all new nuts and bolts, new hardware for it. So we're gonna go ahead and get the bumpers installed. We did paint the bumper bracket. We went ahead and just painted it back black, just so it don't look so rusty and dusty up under there. We want it nice and clean at the end of the day. So man, yeah, man. You see how nice the finish looks once it all get together, man. This thing was pitted and horrible. So my guy said, man, let me get it. I'll get it right for you. And he did just that. So we did get the front and the rear bumpers. So we're gonna start with the rear bumpers. That way we can get it mounted on, get the tail lights mounted, get this thing up under the car, then we'll work towards the front and get those mounted as well. So like I said, we did go to Ace and got all new hardware for it. All new bolts, washers, brackets, just to make everything nice and easy, man. We ain't fighting no old bolts to do that, the rust and all of that stuff. So we're gonna get this thing here mounted up and see how it does. Well, we know how it's gonna look. Like I said, we did re-clear all of the tail light lenses, painted all of the housings back silver so it's nice and bright on the back side. We took the time to go ahead and do that. Like I say, paint the housing back silver so the inside of the bulb glows really, really bright. And we re-cleared all of the lenses. Give it a nice fresh look. Give it a nice fresh look as well as it should. So all right, Cho, let's see if we can get this thing here mounted up. So y'all lay around for it, man. I'm gonna definitely show you what it look like. See what that ass end look like in a minute. Okay, so you do gotta mount the tail lights first. So we get the tail lights mounted first. Where's the other one? You got the other light? Okay. It's pretty simple. They both back in the same holes they came out of. It's no rocket scientist. Find the hole, Puncho. Okay. Okay, like you say, snugging those down. Then the bumpers go over that all, and we do have all new bumper hardware as well. So okay, so we getting it in, putting the new hardware in, put all the bolts in. Next, we finna put it on the car. Y'all lay around for it.